We tenderized a cheap cut of ribeye steak in our latest video. In 48 hours, the soy sauce and garlic marinade had that beef melting in our mouths. Pull up, because today we're making a creamy, tangy, and downright addictive classic Southern macaroni salad. Kind you find at every cookout, but somehow it always hits different when you make it. Using 3 secret ingredients, it's got just the right amount of crunch, sweetness, and that unmistakable zing from Miracle Whip. Let's go. You'll need to add 16 ounces of elbow macaroni noodles to your boiling pot of water, chicken bouillon, and Miss Dash garlic and herb. But first, can we talk about the price of eggs? I walked into the store the other day, and I promise you, I thought they started selling designer eggs for $8.99 a dozen. At this point, these chickens better be college educated, paying for Grammys, and laying those golden yolks, okay? What's the most outrageous price you've seen in your neck of the woods? Leave it in the comments section. I want to know if I'm in this thing called life by myself or what. Ooh, child. All right, I'm getting off my soapbox. Once the macaroni noodles are cooked, we're going to rinse the pasta in cold water to stop the cooking process and cool the noodles down. Make sure you shake off all water before going to the next step, because we'll be adding boiled eggs, diced veggies, and of course, Miracle Whip. We don't want to water down the flavor. Once the macaroni noodles are cooked, we're going to take our time rinsing the pasta in cold water. We want to stop the cooking process and ensure the noodles are nice and cold before moving on to the next step. As we continue to prepare the Southern pasta salad, we want to check on our grill. For the ribeye, we need the grill to get fiery hot. A hot grill makes for a charcoal crust on our steak, like the perfectly seared steak you order from a steakhouse restaurant. Remember to take screenshots of the recipe too. Now I know some of y'all are like, gosh, Miracle Whip? I'm giving me the side eye. Just hear me out. Miracle Whip is a Southern staple in macaroni salad. So if you remember, there's the Miracle Whip slogan in the comments. We're going to tell our ages. I'm an 80s baby. We had the best commercials back in the day. All right, so we're mixing in chopped celery for crunch. We also have our first secret ingredient here, roasted bell pepper. Feel free to substitute for a red bell pepper if you can't find the roasted bell peppers. But I'm telling you, the roasted bell pepper adds flavor. You can use a knife or a food processor to mince these ingredients. However, I've got this little gadget in my hand, so I'm going to use this. All right, so let's mince up our pepper, our celery, and our eggs. Make sure you take a screenshot of the ingredient list. All right, red bell pepper, done. So we're going to go ahead and add this to our pasta salad. Next up is celery. Give this a rough chop before we put this under the gadget. And bang, bang, bang. And this is pretty much the hardest thing you'll ever have to do. Is pushing a button on the food processor or pressing down on a mechanical device that I have. It's like, That's it. So once we have all our ingredients in the bowl, we're gonna stir it up. Almost forgot our prized possession. We need our gold. So in a Southern salad, eggs are a must. So I'm gonna chop these suckers up and make them stretch. Okay. You notice how I'm really trying to stretch and multiply these eggs like Jesus, right? Lord knows. Okay, so the second secret ingredient is a do not skip. Pickle juice adds a light, sweet, tart upgrade to the cold salad, just like our third secret ingredient, Dijon mustard. Let's start piling on the rest of these seasonings. By the way, if you ever end up with extra eggs and feel like flexing your wealth, chop up an extra one and sprinkle it on top for garnish. Final step before we set this bowl in the fridge, taste test. Here's where you'll add a pinch of salt or pepper if you feel like the dish is missing something. Also, a little smoked paprika or raw honey adds to the southern flair. Give everything a good mix. Okay, and it's very important to let this chill once we mix it up real good. Macaroni salad is like revenge. It's best served cold. Okay, so give it at least an hour in the fridge so those flavors can really pop. All right, moment of truth. Grab a spoon, take a bite, and tell me this ain't the best macaroni salad and steak you've ever had. If it isn't, lie to me. The pasta dish is creamy, tangy, and has just the right crunch. It's everything. And now it's your turn. Try it out and let me know how you made yours. And don't forget to subscribe so we can cook up something else the next time. My name is Naj, and I enjoy spending time with you. And before you leave, go over there in that corner, grab a plate. Because I'm hungry, and I'm not waiting for you. Meet you over in the ribeye video. Bye-bye.